Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 208 in the Allure specification. It comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof. You get 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car is one of our former courtesy cars and it's done just under 700 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.